grips, get the grips. Okay, get the belt grip, okay. Nice.
Neka se pripreme Vejinović Nikola i Lazar Ivanović za tatami 3. Vejinović Nikola i Lazar Ivanović.
Ajmo, deki!
Yeah, nice. Okay. And the direct mount. Get the underhook. Underhook first. Underhook. Oh, you already have it. You already have it. I can see it.
See that? He has the armpit control. Armpit control. Armpit control. Walk the arm. Triangle. Triangle.
Ajmo, deki!
Polako sad.
Neka se pripreme Miloš Stepanović i Rijad Grapčanović za tatami 2.
Get that triangle.
Miloš Stepanović i Rijad
Get
Grapčanović.
that triangle.
Not that triangle.
Hey, finish it. 90 stepeni.
Bravo, bravo.
90 stepeni, ajmo.
Sudija ne vidim ništa, sudija.
Ajde, Kolila!